On Telegram Messenger, you can restrict members from saving, forwarding, or copying your content, only if you're the owner or admin of a group or channel. To begin, open the Telegram app on your phone. Then, open the group or channel where you are the owner or admin. Next, tap the group's name or profile picture at the top. Then tap the pencil icon in the top right corner. Here, you will see that the group type is set to private. Tap on it. At the bottom, you will find the Restrict Saving Content option. Simply toggle the slider on to enable it. After that, tap the tick icon in the top right corner. Finally, tap the tick icon in the top right corner to save your changes. From now on, members won't be able to copy, save or forward content from this group. This helps protect your media, messages, and files from being downloaded or shared outside the group. So that's how you can restrict saving content from your groups and channels on Telegram Messenger.